and welcome! In this lesson I'm going to show you 7 word pairs that are pronounced in the same way but they're spelled different, which makes them quite confusing. So let's begin! Chai. You may probably know the first one, which is the word for tea. The second one consists of the pronoun ce, which is connected to the verb a avea, whether it's the full verb or the auxiliary version. Eu beau ceai la micul dejun. Ce-ai băut azi la micul dejun? Devreme. The first one is the adverb early. The second one consists of 2 words, and those are the preposition de, followed by the noun vreme in the sense of time. Am ajuns de vreme la cinema. Filmul a fost o pierdere de vreme. Numai. The first one is the adverb only, whereas the second version consists of the negation nu, followed by the adverb mai, meaning together not anymore. Alerg numai jumătate de oră. Nu mai alerg deloc. Decât. The first version is the same as numai and it means only, but it's only used in negative sentences. The second one is the pronominal adjective cât, preceded by the preposition de. Nu vreau decât puțină prăjitură pentru că țin dietă. De cât timp ții dietă? Mai. The first one is the name of the month May, but it can also be used as in the adverb still. The second one consists of the accusative pronoun mă, which is connected to the auxiliary verb a avea in the compound perfect tense. Bunica vine în vizită în mai. Mai vine în vizită bunica? Când m-ai vizitat ultima dată? Odată. The first one is the adverb once, and the second one is the noun dată, preceded by the numeral or by the number 1, as in one more time. Odată am întârziat la un examen important. Am dat examenul încă o dată. Altfel. The first one is an adverb meaning different or differently or in a different way, whereas the second one consists of the adjective alt, followed by the noun fel, meaning a different type of something. Timpul trece altfel când te distrezi. Nu am timp pentru altfel de activități. Alrighty, that's about it for now. I really hope you enjoyed it, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you have further suggestions for future videos, please let me know in the comment section down below. Be happy!